Greetings, this is Kevin Jefferson, father of the Forex fam, and followmytrades.com here with Trade Theory for Monday, August 29th, 2022 at 6 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. I'm looking at Bitcoin right now on the daily chart, and price has moved lower over the last 5 days from the area where I said that if price closed lower, which was right, actually I can tell you specifically where it was. It was right here, and the price was around 23,143.90 when price closed below there. I expect the price to continue to drop. Now we're at a point where over the next couple of days I expect maybe price to pull back slightly, maybe up to around the 20,928 area, maybe 21,000 or so, and prepare to continue to move lower. That's the daily chart, and then on the weekly chart. So maybe price moves back up right up into this area, in the low 21,000s, and then I could see price continuing lower down to at least 16,000 or so. But I think I mentioned 11,000 as a target price, but definitely could see it getting down at least to 16,000 in the coming weeks. So definitely bearish on Bitcoin currently. On the Dow Jones Industrial Average price has continued to push lower. Actually, it dropped below even the target price that I mentioned. The price I said it was going to pull back to was around 32,432.70, which is right here. But what happened was actually price dropped below there, and I'm expecting price to pull back in the next couple of days, probably up to that area again, maybe as high as maybe the 32,559.10, and then possibly continue lower there. So and then the S&P, the same here. Price fell through the target price that I mentioned, 4,082.20. Price blew through that at the end of last week, and so I'm expecting a slight pullback before possible continuation lower here up into that same area, 4,082.70. And then on the NASDAQ, to wrap it all up, price did the same. I told you price would be bearish last week. It blew through the 12,869.56 target area that I mentioned, and I expect price to pull back up to maybe not quite as high as that, but maybe at least in the high 12s, 12,756 or some change, and maybe a little bit higher before possibly continuing to go lower. So the markets are looking bearish, well, maybe bearish over the course of the week, and possibly bullish over the next couple of days. So maybe today and tomorrow, Monday and Tuesday, through up until Wednesday, maybe price will continue to rise or show that it's rising, but in my eyes it would probably be just a pullback for a continuation lower. And the same for Bitcoin. Bitcoin's gotten weaker, and just from a just kind of a fundamental understanding, if the indices are lower, there's a great chance that Bitcoin is going to be lower as well anyway. So looking for all those to fall over the coming days, and we'll just kind of watch and see what happens. But if you want to profit from watching what happens and profit from what we do here, join us at fmtrades.com. Check out our DIY or our DFY cash flow building system, where we look to double your income or your cash flow in 12 months or less within working with us. So join us at fmtrades.com. Take this information, prosper from it, and until next time, happy trading and enjoy the day.